Imagine you're a chef in a bustling kitchen. Instead of trying to guess which single dish will be today's biggest seller, you decide to serve every item on the menu. That's essentially what an index fund is doing with investments. An index fund pools your money together with others and buys small pieces of many different companies, like following a recipe for a market index. Think of it as a giant grocery list that includes all the top items. But here's where people get confused. Index funds aren't like betting on one horse at the races. They're more like running a horse track, making money off all the bets placed. Why does this matter? Well, let's crunch some numbers. From 1970 to today, an index fund following the S&P 500 would have given you an average return of about 10% per year. That means if you had invested $1,000 in 1970, it could be worth around $50,000 today. That's the power of compound interest at work. But here's the kicker. Index funds are low cost because they don't require smart experts to pick winners and losers, just a computer following a list. This can save you thousands in fees over decades. Remember, though, this is educational content meant for general information. It's not personalized financial advice, so before making any decisions, consider consulting a professional or doing further research. So there you have it. Index funds can be a simple and effective way to grow your money. If this sparked interest, stay tuned for more insights on how to make the most of your financial journey.